Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Coding Hives. This is Rasina with you. Hope you all are doing good. Today, I am going to show you something that is literally changing the game for developers Amazon Q, which is like having a genius coding buddy with us. So, here you can see I opened a VS Code. So, we need to install an extension Amazon Q. I already installed this extension. It has amazing features. I will show each one. Here you can see Amazon Q is there, this one. So this is the chat box. We can chat anything. So here first I will show you something. For example, I'm using Python. So here if I want to write a function to check a number is prime or not. Okay, so simply I'm writing this much only. You can see this Amazon Q is automatically generating the code, right? So imagine you are stuck with some monster of legacy function. I mean a big function, but you don't know what it is doing. So how we can understand what the function does, that also possible with this Amazon Q. I will show here. So now I'm simply pasting one code, one big code, okay, and I want to know what this code is doing. So here I can ask in the chat. For example, I can ask what this function doing. Okay, for example, I'm selecting this function and I'm asking what this function doing. We can wait for the answer here. We can see it is explaining the whole code in a very neat manner. Clear? It is explaining all the codes in detail. So it is really amazing, right? It will also give some suggestions for Stack Overflow if you want, like also some follow-up questions also we are getting here. So next, let's say your boss wants you to handle some JSON data. So instead of Googling for hours, wasting precious time looking for random Stack Overflow post, you can simply write something like this: write me a Python function that process customer order and customer order JSON and calculates the revenue. Okay, so you can see what is we are getting the output here. You can see the output here. We are getting like process orders, documentation is also there, like the comments are also there. You can see we are getting some function, right? It's cool, right? You can see a function I pasted here, that is for calculate average order value. This is a function to calculate the average order, but here are some issues in this code, like I missed this increment statement. So now we will check like is Amazon Q is able to check the code and find the error. Okay, so we will ask something like this: can you review the code? Okay, can you review the code and any bugs? Now we got the output something like this, like the error is zero division error will come, right? You can see here it added the missing increment when processing completed orders, then added some validations, error handling. So much things it is doing. Now I will show you one more thing, that is documentation by Amazon Q. So here now I am pasting a code. Okay, this is some code for order processing and all. So just I will show you like if I am asking a documentation of this code to Amazon Q, how it will respond. Okay, so I'm asking generate a documentation for these classes. Documentation for these classes. Okay. So you can see we are getting a documentation like this. Order processing system documentation, like it is explaining about all the classes. Everything is included, right? Configuration options, troubleshooting gate, then testing information, everything. So cool, right? So that's it for today's video about Amazon Q. I hope it helps you in your coding journey. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.